Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So in this video today we will see how to import your DB through command line in XAMPP or WAMP. You can use the same command. So let's get started. So for this I am going to open this XAMPP, and under XAMPP you see here the cell option. Okay. So the first option during this process will be log into your XAMPP MySQL. So come here, click on this cell, and there is command to login, that is mysql -u, and here you will have to write your username -p. So the moment you enter this, it will be asking for password. So press enter. Press enter. You don't have to put here the semicolon at the end of command. You just need to type a press enter. So password is blank in my case, so I'm just pressing enter here. MySQL -u -p. And now you can see here I am logging with MariaDB. Okay, even you put the space here, in my case there is nothing password, so I put a space here, so it took a strict mark. So you don't have to put enter. If there is no password, you just have to press enter. Got it? So now the second step is we have to create your database. So for this we have to write create database command. Create database name, let's say db underscore s1. Press enter, and here you will have to use the colon. You see here, if you don't put the column at the end, it will navigate you to types of content on the next line. So here you will have to put the semicolon, but while using this command you don't have to put colon at the end. So now you are done with step 2. Now we have to pick the database you created. Yeah, if you have already created the database, you can only use that database. So you can use this use command, use, and your db name db underscore s1 colon, press enter. Now you can see here your db is selected as per your command given. So now your third step is done. The fourth step is you have to import the database here. So for that, navigate to the file you want to import. So in my case, I have this file. Let me open this one, and here you see very small content. But now I am going to put this one. Let me show you the size of this. So the size of this DB is 492 MB. So let me rename this one, and I am going to use this DB itself. So the path I will be using this, and then the file name dot sql, like this. So you have to use, like, you have to change the slashes, and you can use this with source command. So here you should type source and paste your this and press enter. Now you can see your DB is giving some issue. So at the end of this command, it will show you the exact issue what is coming. So let's wait for a moment here. So till the time it will not execute, it will not try every table given, it will be, it will not stop. So this, the collision issue is coming here, collision. So So my DB looks the older one. So I will open this in a new editor, and I will replace this collision with the required one. Replace with this. Click one time here, replace all, and it will replace you. It will replace. You see here, it replaces everything. So now try the same command again, and let's see what is happening. Now you see everything is passing, and you see here, okay. So now you can also see here, refresh and come to phpMyAdmin. So the database created you can see here, and you also see the tables are being imported. You see here that this number, this amount of table inserted till now, and if you refresh, it will be increasing here, and you see the process here, it is going on. So this one is the verification. The last step is to verify your import. So at the end of this, you will see, and here the list of all the tables. So right now you see here the two number of pages coming. If you refresh this, it will be increased. So now you see it is not increasing, but it will be increased if all entry done for this database. So it is still it is in progress. So let's wait for a moment here. So let me take you to the check the size of this DB again, and here you see the size of 492 MB. That is very high. If you try importing through this phpMyAdmin, it will not work for you. Either it will hang up or it will not allow. If you try with this Heidi, that is the editor of MySQL vendor, you can say, like you have MySQL itself, but this also will not work. And now you see here, you are done with the import. So for the 400 plus MB, it took less than 3-4 minutes. So you can say this one is a better way to import the table. Now you can see list of all table. From here you can also verify this one was the DB name. You can check here. So this one is, you can come and check here. I can also select the records. So after import and compress, you can see the size is 346 MB now. So try this at your end, and hopefully you will save your some valuable time and efforts. So these are the steps. I will put all these steps in the description of this video, and you can copy from there and you can try at your end. So for the future release of my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.